Hello folks, welcome. This is a quick video. I just thought I'd show you putting my little converted electric to propane gas conversion kiln into reduction. So we're just about at the temperature I like to put it into reduction, and we're reading actually 20, nearly 2100. So it's a little bit overdue for going into reduction. So let's put it into reduction. All I'm going to do is turn up the gas here. So as I open the gas, let's just turn the lights off actually. Okay, as we turn on the, as I open the tap, so I've put it into reduction. Let me turn off the other light. So at the moment we've got a fairly heavy reduction there because as I was a little late, but it'll be okay, it'll be okay. But let's just check the temperature, because we want to get reduction but we also want to get increase in temperature, don't we? So the temperature, due to the fact that the reduction is perhaps a little heavy, what we're going to have to do is cut back on the reduction. So I'm going to close the tap a little bit so that we get just a little less. That's a bit less. Let's now go and look at the pyro. Can you see what's happening? We're getting temperature increase alongside reduction. That is the aim. That's what we want to be able to achieve. So as you can see, the temperature is rising quite nicely at the moment. Let's just check the reduction again. Reduction's a bit weak. I'm going to have to increase it. Okay, so you can see we've got a reducing flame. It's creeping up. Okay, so you see there the pyro. So basically what we want to do is achieve the sweet spot, so to speak, where we, in between sufficient reduction alongside coupled with temperature rise. You've got to have the two together. You don't want to have temperature rise and not enough reduction. You don't want to have too much reduction and not enough temperature rise. You want both of them. That's how it works, okay? It's not that complicated. If you see the burner down here, the distance that the burner is out from the kiln, the distance that the burner is set out from the kiln. Bear that in mind, yeah. So when Eddie came to visit me the other day, we discussed opening up the inside of the bottom of the chimney, like I explained in the last video, in order to improve the flame aerodynamics within the kiln. And I thought in the last firing it was definitely improved, and I'm getting the impression that it is. I think we're going to be able to go all the way up to cone 10 satisfactorily. So, okay folks, I just wanted to bring you in on that. You know, gas firing like this is not that complicated really. It's more complicated than pushing buttons, you know, on an electric kiln, but this is a little bit more of an engaging process, if you know what I mean. You are part of the firing process a little bit more. You're more engaged. Anyway, I hope that's been of help to you and of interest. Okay, Simon Leach saying, keep practicing. We'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.